Today in our 2005 Honda Odyssey, we'll be looking at our trailer wiring options. All right, we have two wiring harnesses here today. Right here we have the Tekonsha T1 vehicle wiring harness, part number 118438. Right here we have the Curt TConnector vehicle wiring harness, part number C56161. Both of our wiring harnesses that we have here today feature the standard 4-pole flat trailer connector. This will give you the required connection that all trailers have to give you the required running lights by law so you can safely tow a trailer. Our difference that we have between these two here today is our Tekonsha one has a dust cover built in the plug, folds right over, and protects your connection right here, whereas the Curt is a separate piece which slips over your connector onto your wires, and then that will fold on over and protect your wiring too. Both of our wiring harnesses that we have here today plug into the factory tow package wiring located on the right rear side of your cargo compartment. Both of our wiring harnesses feature a converter box here, the Tekonsha being a little bit smaller than our Curt's. This will still tuck up nicely behind our trim panel on the passenger side, so we can tuck it up out of the way. These converter boxes here will isolate our trailer's wiring from our Honda's wiring, so we don't have to worry about any backfeeding of voltage or any shorts in the trailer affecting the lights on our Honda or damage any of the wiring on it. Both of our wiring harnesses come with a ground wire that you need to use a self-tapping screw to secure to the chassis so you have a good ground signal. Self-tapping screws are provided. Our Curt wiring harness features a 10 amp fuse which goes inside this fuse holder here, has a dust cover that snaps over it. This will help protect the system of the wiring harness here. Now, both of these come with 7.5 amp fuses that plug into the fuse box inside the vehicle on the passenger side below the glove box. So until you install these fuses here, you don't have any power going to your towed vehicle wiring harness connector. This is a really simple installation. All you have to do is pull back a couple of these pins here. They just unscrew. You got to remove two on the center piece right here. Pop this out, undo this one here, and pull this panel out, and you'll find a module back right here where you plug into, and you just drape your 4-pole wiring out like so. Set it to the side of your cargo latch right there, and then you close your hatch on up, and you're ready to hook up to your trailer. The Curt's going to offer a very similar length wire to our Tekonsha here, so you won't have any problem making any electrical connections to your trailer. When you're done towing, very simple, just slip your dust cover back on, open your hatch back up, bundle your wiring up, and you can stick it to your side of your cargo compartment right here, and it's tucked up out of the way, but easy to get to when you need it. If I was going to be purchasing one of these for my Honda Odyssey, I'd be leaning towards the Tekonsha, just because we don't have to worry about having to remove the panel to replace a fuse if we ever have an issue inside of it. We just have the factory fuse. It's in the fuse box underneath the glove box that we can replace if we do have a wiring issue. So it's one less thing that you have to check if you do encounter a problem with it. Additionally, the converter box is smaller on the Tekonsha and has a little loop right here where you can run a zip tie through to secure it to some wiring behind the panel. Makes it a little bit easier to install. This one, it comes with zip ties or some double-sided tape if you want to install it that way. But I just like having the hole right here on this tab because I prefer to use the zip tie, and it's a little bit easier to do with the hole there. Finally, I do like the fact that our dust cover here is built onto the plug. It's just one less thing to worry about falling off and losing. And that completes our look at the trailer wiring options for the Honda Odyssey.
Click the link below to shop, learn more, or visit us at etrailer.com.